Hi, I'm Andy DeSee, owner of MOC Auto Center in Mineola. Stressful thing in this business, it usually boils to around money. You know, you can very easily tie up $20,000 in a heartbeat. You know, you order parts for this one and for that one, and if the car's not completed, that money doesn't return yet. So you can tie up a large amount of money rather fast. I was looking for a small business loan, and I did try the bank. I tried my bank, and it was such an ordeal. Never mind the process, it was an ordeal. It's just like, this is not gonna work. And it's definitely not gonna work in the time manner that I was looking for. And then I discovered UCS on the internet, and I gave them a call. Best phone call I ever made. They look to meet your expectation every step of the way. If there's a problem that's prohibiting that, they try to guide you and get over that problem so that you can get what you need. Very accommodating, very easy. It's almost like flying a plane on autopilot. Once you've picked up that phone, that's it. That's all you needed to do. And you can go about your everyday activities, and they're handling everything else without any problem.